Hey everybody, I'm Rick Orlando, chef at New World Bistro Bar, chef around the Hudson Valley, also the creator of Flavor Maker Spices. You can go to flavormakerspices.com. Today we're going to use my DOBE, my adobo rub, on a beautiful shrimp pasta dish, so stay tuned, learn how to use my spices, get them online. You're going to love this summer pasta. Shrimp adobo pasta. Hello everybody, it's Rick Orlando, and it's summertime. And whether you're staying home or getting outside, everybody likes a quick, fresh pasta in the summer. And I've got a really great one for you. This is a shrimp adobo pasta. We're gonna add a little bit of spice, a little garlic, a little tomato. And let me show you how it's done. I've already dropped some of this beautiful gluten-free angel hair here. You can use spaghetti or fettuccine as well. And we're gonna start right here on the stove. Come on in. With a good amount of extra virgin olive oil. And I have beautiful Gulf shrimp. We're not messing around here with the peeled and deveined. We bought fresh Gulf shrimp, and we're gonna lay them down in the pan. You see how I'm putting them in the pan? I'm keeping them from curling quite so much by laying them like that. They're nice and big. And now we want to season these guys. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna cook our shrimp about halfway first, then do our garlic and oil. That way we don't turn our shrimp into rubber. I've got a little adobo. This is mine. You can go to my website and get mine, or you can get commercial stuff, or you can even make your own. But I don't need a ton, just enough. This is our seasoning. We're sprinkling it on the outside. And we're gonna get these shrimp to get a little golden and nutty on the outside. Oops, and they bite at you. So our ingredients that we're gonna use today are very simple. We have garlic, and I slice the garlic, because that way if you want to eat it, you can eat it. If you don't want to eat it, you don't have to eat it, but it gives you flavor. I have serrano peppers. These are available in most supermarkets, but if you can't find a serrano, small jalapeno works. But another secret, if you're afraid of some people want heat and some people don't mince your peppers, because then the heat gets everywhere. Slice them into thin slices, same thing. They can push them aside and still enjoy them. We have cilantro. We have tomatoes, and this time of year before the locals come, I'm a really big fan of cocktail tomatoes. I think they have the most flavor. And then I have fresh lime juice. I use the little guy here, and I've got enough. I've got about 3 limes worth of juice. So let's take a look at my shrimp. Yeah, they're getting nice and golden. I'm going to turn them over. What you're doing by doing this to the shrimp is you're bringing out the nutty flavor. If you don't get some color on your shrimp, they're going to taste okay, but when you caramelize them like that, they taste really great. All right, so look, everything's looking good. I'm going to take these out. These are about halfway to 3/4 way cooked. You can see they're still a little translucent in the center. That's okay. Now, in the same oil, add a little bit more. We're going to put our garlic. And again, we want to get a little color on our garlic, just like we did on our shrimp. And we're going to add our chilies. Now, we happen to like it hot here, so we're putting a bunch in here. But you can pace yourself on that. Let's take a quick check on my pasta. That's about 2 minutes out. We're right on schedule, ma'am. Look, my garlic is getting that beautiful golden nutty flavor. It brings out the sugars and sweetness. Shrimp are going to go back in the pan now. And we're going to add some moisture to slow it down. And one of the things we're going to add are these diced, beautiful tomatoes. They're cooling it down and heating it up. All right, my shrimp are almost cooked. So now we're going to add this copious amount of lime juice. Juice of 3 limes. All right, give it a stir. Let's check our pasta. Oh, that pasta looks like it's just right. So no need to drain it. No need to drain it. We're going to take it right from the water, right into there. And a little bit of pasta water is going to help to build our sauce. So let's pull this pasta in. All right, so now we're going to give this a toss. Let the water evaporate a bit, but I'm going to show you the last trick, the cilantro. Cilantro or cilantro has very delicious stems, but you don't want them long. So what I do is I cut them like this against the grain into little tiny tidbits, as well as the leaves. This is about a half a bunch of cilantro, but you want a decent amount. You want to get that great flavor. Okay, so that seems like a lot. It's going to be beautiful. Look, My water is cooked down. You notice because I used all that lime juice, I'm not adding any salt. I added a little adobo. In goes all that cilantro. Here are my 2 plates. We'll move this out of the way for you. And let's give this another toss. I like it tight and dry, but if you'd like a little more liquid, just add a little bit of your salty, starchy pasta water. It helps build your sauce. That's a great Italian trick. So now I take my bundles of angel here. 1. Oh, look at that cilantro and tomatoes. Look at that color everywhere. Shrimp for everybody. Tomatoes. Perfect. And there you are, folks. Adobo shrimp pasta with cilantro and lime. Fresh. How long did that take? 4 minutes. You can make that dish in 4 minutes. You don't even heat up the kitchen. I'm Rick Orlando from New World Bistro Bar. I'm the chef. Have a great summer. Be safe, but eat well.